In a critical industrial application, an expansion device was being installed downstream of a control valve. The materials presented an immediate engineering challenge. The expansion device itself was constructed of SS316, while the upstream piping was A106B, and the downstream tank connection was 2205 duplex SS. This meant both the upstream and downstream connections consisted of dissimilar metals paired together. With these dissimilar metals paired together, an isolation gasket was needed so that galvanic corrosion does not occur and corrode away the less noble metal at an accelerated rate. But this was a steam condensate line. Sourcing a compatible isolation gasket was challenging, as there are very few in the market chemically compatible with steam service. The most common isolation gasket material, GRE, is not compatible with steam and cannot be used in this service. Compounding the problem, the flanges on the expansion device were a 6-inch raised face slip-on, while the upstream was a raised face weld neck schedule 160 and the downstream was a raised face weld neck schedule XH. Because there are mismatched bores, it is paramount to ensure that the sealing elements land on both flange faces to create a proper seal and ensure that no leak occurs. Steam inherently is of high energy and a safety concern, making this a critical flange connection that must have a tight seal for the lifetime of its service. The only viable option and the recommended solution for this application was the Evolution isolation gasket and kit. The unique design of Evolution completely eliminates the GRE material, making it chemically compatible to be used in steam service. To solve the complex geometry, the GPT engineering team was able to configure the gasket such that the sealing elements land on both flange faces of the mismatched bored flanges. This ensures that a proper seal can be made in both the upstream and downstream flange connections. Crucially, the gasket is designed to isolate effectively, breaking up the dissimilar metals so that galvanic corrosion will not occur. This design provides the highest level of confidence that can be provided to applications with these types of issues. For more information, please visit gptindustries.com.